Hello everyone. This is Virendra Sharma from Week 1 classes, and I'm here again to discuss question answer of Father's Help. And this story is written by R.K. Narayanan. We will discuss here all the question answer, including life skill and value based and writing skill also, with full explanation. So now we have another slide. At first, we will discuss about R.K. Narayanan, and he is one of the prominent writer in English literature, and he was born in Madras and was educated in Maharaja's College in Mysore. His first novel, Swami and Friends, became one of the popular amongst the children, and his novel, The Guide, won him the National Prize of Indian Literary Academy. And one and two films is made based on the same story, that is a guide. Most of Narayan's story are set in a fictitious village that is there in a South India. It is a Malgudi, and it children should know it is about a Malgudi days. It was displayed. It was broadcast on a TV also. Many of the stories have been adapted for the screening on television. Swami and the talkative man remain two of his famous characters. So here the first question is there that we will discuss. It is about understanding the story, and we will take T for true statements and F for false statement. So the first statement is like that: Swami did not want to go to school because he had a headache. So this statement is true. So we will trick true. Swami's school began at 9 a.m. This is false because the school will start from 9:30. Samuel taught arithmetic and history to Swami and his class fellow. So this is the true statement. Samuel taught arithmetic and history to Swami and his class fellow. The fourth question is, Swami decided to fling the complaint letter written by his father into a gutter. He don't want to throw it into a gutter. So this is false. Fifth one is, Swami was overjoyed at getting the complaint letter against Samuel. No, this is also a false statement because at this time he was really depressed. He was really worried to see the complaint letter. Sixth question, Swami reached the school an hour later. This is also wrong. False. Samuel had 2 arithmetic periods with Samuel's class on Monday. Yes, this is also false. This is not two arithmetic period. Actually, one period was there of arithmetic and second period was there of a history. Question number 8. Samuel gave Swami 8 cuts of a cane. No. This is also wrong. And next question is, Swami delivered the complaint letter to the headmaster after the last period bell ring. He did not deliver the letter. He did not deliver this way. It is also a false one. In the next question, we will discuss some of the question in 30 words or more. Answer the following question in about 30 words each. So here is first question is, how did Swami's father react when Swami told him that he was not going to school? How different was the reaction from that of Swami's mother? Answer is, Swami's father told him to go to school despite headache. Despite means ke baabzood, headache ke baabzood, he was told to go to school. He scolded him. Scolded means he has told him a lot. It means datna. He scolded him for not asking his permission to skip school earlier. He said that Swami had to blame himself for headache as he had laughed about a lot on Sunday. Laugh about means wondering. He used to wonder. Ghumna, idhar se udhar ghumna. Swami replied that he could not go late to school, but father was insistent. Insistent means stubborn, very strict. Insistent means stubborn. His mother, on the other hand, was easily convinced that Swami was not well and even traveling by rickshaw would further increase his headache. So he has convinced his mother but could not convince his father to skip the school. His father was really very stubborn, very strict, and ordered him to go to school instantly. Right, the first question we had done. Second question. Second question is Father's Day was took an unexpected turn. Was unexpected about some his father's behavior. What happened on that day when he skipped school? Father's behavior taken an unexpected turn. It means it was unexpected was there. The behavior was also unexpected of his father. So what was that turn? What was that behavior that taken a sudden unexpected turn? Do you know what was that? Answer is Swami had thought that after listening about the headache and Samuel's behavior, his father would not allow him to go to class late. But the father's behavior took an unexpected turn. This is the question. He ordered Swami to dress up and go to school and also composed means written a long complaint letter to his headmaster regarding Samuel. That was the unexpected turn. It means his father has written a long letter of a complaint against Samuel because Swami had made a false story about Samuel. That's why he was insistent to take to just complain against Samuel. So that was the unexpected turn. And third question is why didn't Swami hand over the complaint letter to the headmaster in the morning? The question is when Swami got this complaint letter, this is the complaint letter written by his father, he did not deliver it in the morning because the answer is there. Swami did not hand over complaint letter to the headmaster because he was sure about the allegation. Allegation means that is the false story. Allegation means the false story is made up by Swami and that the story is told to his father. So he was sure that the story that he made, it is wrong. So he put on Samuel whether the Samuel deserving the allegation or not. So he needs some time to rectify Samuel. He needs some time to rectify the Samuel. That's why he did not deliver this letter at the early morning after going to school. That's why he was waiting from the first period to the last period for getting the time so that Samuel will become some more angry and he would beat him. And after then he will just give this letter to the headmaster. That's why he waited from morning to the last period. Next question. Fourth question is, could Swami deliver the complaint letter to the headmaster after the school? Why or why not? No. Swami could not deliver the complaint letter to the headmaster after the school because on that day headmaster was on leave. and that day, and Samuel was the vice principal for that day, and he could not give this letter to Samuel, because if he will give the same letter to the vice principal, it was the Samuel again, he was the Samuel again, and he will know that this boy has made a false story about a Samuel, and again he would be punished. That's why he could not deliver this complaint letter to the headmaster, because he was on leave and vice principal was in charge of that school. Right. In the hots, the question is, Swami went to school feeling that he was the worst perjurer. He is the worst perjurer. Perjurer is it is the tough word, a difficult word also. It means that false witness. Is the false witness. So he Swami think that he was one of the worst false witness on the earth. Discuss Swami's feeling at that point, and why did he feel like the worst perjurer of the earth. Yes, you know that he was one of the worst false witness on the earth, because he made a false story for this for his teacher. So answer is Swami felt. In felt is a verb to of feel, F-E-E-L, feel, verb to of a feel. Swami felt like a worse perjurer, as he was not sure of his truthfulness of his complaint. Truthfulness of his complaint about Samuel to his father, he was not fully true. He has added some of the story of Samuel, imaginative story, so that his father become very angry and told him to stay at his home. That's why he was fully doubtful about the truthfulness of his complaint about the Samuel. He had told his father that he feared going school late. He feared. He was afraid. बहुत डर गया था going late to school, as Samuel, his teacher, would certainly beat him. And he used to cane boys. Cane means here is to beat the boy with cane. Cane means to beat boys. To beat boy with the cane and draw blood from their hands. Draw means taken out. It means when he start beating the boys, the blood come out on his hand. Then he made the boys put the bleeding hands to their foreheads so that the blood looked like vermilion. Vermilion means it is the that is the it is the mark of a red color mark on a forehead. Vermilion means red color mark. Red color mark on a forehead. So he made a false story that when he started beating the boys, what happened? The blood comes out from their hands, and he also make a mark of a vermilion on his forehead. So after listening to this story, father decided to write a strong letter of complaint against Samuel to the headmaster. Swami had tried to give an excuse for not going to school, but when the excuse resulted in father's anger, when excuse he told the excuse, then the father becomes more angry, and subsequent later, he started doubting his honesty of his own words. So after that, this telling this false story, he was very doubtful about his own words. So he questions himself if Samuel was really the devil. He was really the devil. सच में वो devil था, or he had made him out to be, right? So that he was a devil, or the Swami made him a devil by telling a false story. So he felt guilty and very scared also. Scared means डरा हुआ. So he felt very guilty. अपने आप को क्या समझने लगा? दोषी. And very scared, very afraid, thinking that his words might result in Samuel's dismissal and ruin of his career, and that the first story will destroy. Ruin means Reuse may destroy his career. Destroy his career. So this is the answer of this horse. Next question is there. That is a life skill. What impression have you formed of Swami's relation with his father? First question is, what type of impression that created after listening the story of a Swami and his father, and what type of the relation the Swami have with his father. With his father, and how should children and their parents behave with each other? Answer is, Swami was clearly in awe of his father. In awe means, yes, he really respect and consider him very important part in his life, right? So he was afraid of him. वो हमेशा किससे डरते थे? He was afraid of his father and knew that he must change his excuse if he wished to avoid going to school. And he knew that he must change his excuse if he wished to avoid going to school. So he start making an imaginative story and start narrating this imaginative story to his father. In this story, Swami's father seems to be very strict, right? Seems to be very strict. So relation between the parents and children should be comfortable. This is not to be father should be very strict. So that, in my opinion, I think that the relation between parents and children should be very comfortable and honest one. Children should be able to confide. It means each and every children should share the secret with their parents. At the same time, they must respect and obey them. So parents should have faith and confidence in the children while setting firm boundary and values for them to follow. So parents should also have a faith on children and confidence in children while setting boundaries and values to follow them. Whenever this the parents also have a faith in children while setting the boundaries and values them to follow them out. So this of the relation should be there between parents and the children, right? And what the impression is there? The impression is there that the Swami was afraid of his father, right? I think that this relation should not be there with the father and children. So which of the relation should be there? The relation, the parents and children should be very comfortable and very honest one. Both have the faith on each other. So the next question is, that is a value-based question. The value is there. Swami gives a very unfair description about Shambhu to his father. Unfair description. Again, the same question is there. This is unfair description means what? The description that is made by Swami to his father. You know that it was description. It was a very imaginative description, and it was a false description given by Swami to his father. So, how would have behaved if had you been in Swami's palace? Swami's palace. So this is the value-based questions. This is the question for you, that if you will be there, if you would be there in the place of a Swami, so what type of a behavior? It means which of the behavior you should show towards your parents. And now answer is, it is true that Swami's fear of his father made him lie. What is that? Swami's fear only, because he was afraid of his father, that forces him to lie, to tell lie about Shambhu and give an unfair description. Unfair description means what? That is the false story has been told by Shambhu to his the false story is told about Shambhu to his father. by Swami. So also Swami chose to give a false excuse rather than tell the truth. So after that he chose to tell the false excuse rather than tell the truth to his father. If if I would be there, it be there in the Swami's place, so I would have told my parents the fact. What is the fact? Fact is the truth. I would have told that I just did not feel like going to school after the holiday, right? And if he had told the truth, so his father won't becomes very strict. So I would have accepted my mistake and then would be ready to face the consequences, whatever it would be, right? So that this is the I think that this of the behavior you should do before your father if you will be there in the place of Swami. So what is that? It's a main answer is there that you should it means that I should expect accept my mistake and would be ready to face any consequences, whatever it would be. So I think that this type of behavior you should do. Next question is, that is the writing skill. In a writing skill, imagine that you are Swami. It means the main character of the story. Write a diary entry relating your experience with the sample in the school. So you know that diary entry. In a diary entry, at first you have to write the date. Here is you have to write the date, and after that you have to make a box also. In this type of the box you have to make it. And you can also make a design like a spiral binding in your copy, so that at first you will write down the date, like 11th of August, time is 10:30 p.m. or you will address diary as your real friend, that's why you will write down a dear diary. Sure, the answer is, today was the most terrible day of my life. Terrible day, बहुत डरावना दिन. Terrible day of my life. I did not want to go to school and made an excuse that I had a headache. My mother allowed me to stay back home, but my father did not listen to me and was keen on means he was very reluctant. He was very reluctant on sending me to the school, and I was late. I told him, it means my father, that my teacher Samble punished the latecomers badly and gave a false account of his violence in the school. False account of his violence, it means it is a wrong description. It is a wrong description about the violence in this, what is that, in the school, right? And my father becomes very excited and wrote a complaint against Sambul and told me to give it to headmaster of his school. So on my way to school, I was confused as what I told Sambul was really and how much it was imagined. कितना मैंने बोला था वो real है या फिर कितना imagined है. Really, he knew that it is the 50 to 60% stories was false, and I read the school with a happy heart. Really, he was depressed. Happy heart means depressed. I decided to give the letter to the headmaster in the afternoon so that Sybil might do something and would justify the letter. He had waited from early morning to the last period so that Sybil would do something so that he can give the same letter complaint to the headmaster. He entered into the class and he was much and more friendly than what is that usual. So that on that day it was unexpected turn. You know that this the teacher was more than friendly. Samuel was more friendly than usual class. I tried to make him angry and beat me badly. You know that he tried. He did many mistakes and he just created a noise in the class and he raised his voice. But Samuel did not beat him. I was already late to this class and told him that I had not done my homework. I behaved strangely to provoke him. Provoke him means uh, to pinch him to beat me, right? To make him angry to beat him. But I was successful, and later on, what happened? He became successful. Samuel canned him, beat him, and called me an idiot. I was very happy as I that I had gone on an afternoon off and would not be in a school for a week. So in the afternoon, what happened? He just want to decipher the letter, and he has taken this letter and went to the chamber of headmasters. You know what happened? And as soon as the bell rang, I ran toward the headmaster office, but was very sad to know that he had gone on afternoon off and won't be back in a school for a week. It means that headmaster has taken a week leave. I was told by the peon to hand over this letter to the assistant headmaster. Do you know who was the assistant headmaster? It was the Samuel. But I did not deliver this letter of a complaint against him only. I went back to home, and for this my father scolded me for not delivering this letter, and he called me a liar also, and coward. Coward means liar. Liar means jhoota. He called me a liar and coward. I have learnt a lesson that I will never tell a lie in my lesson. So what is the lesson? Lesson means he decided not to tell lie in his life. And one more writing skill is there. This is the imagine you are a Samuel, and this time you are not a student, you are a Samuel, and write a diary entry expressing your surprise at Swami's strange behavior in the classroom. You know that after getting this letter written by his father, he just shown what is that, a strange behavior in the classroom. And this Samuel, the teacher, surprised to see his behavior. And after that, the Swami provoked him many times, and after that he becomes angry and he caned him, right? So that it is a diary entry again you have to do it once the same thing. Write that you have to make a rectangular box in a copy, and if possible you will also give a design that is design of a spiral banding, or you will write down the date, time, and dear diary, because I told you before that diary is one of the best friend of yours. So you will start the diary like that. Today strange things happened in my class. A fairly well behaved child, Swami, behaved in a very unusual way in my class today. In the morning he came late, saying that he had a headache. He had not done his homework, but I did not take much of notice of it. However, in the last period, he started misbehaving strangely. In spite of warning, in spite of means, ठीक है, warning के बावजूद, I spoke out at the top of his voice. Yes, he spoke out top of his voice. He may raise his voice, disturb the whole class. Finally, I had to cane him. I had to beat him. Cane means beat him, and to make him silent. I struck him several times. Right? I beat him several times. Then, do you know what happened? The boy stood there without showing any sign of a fear. Stood out. And I am feeling very guilty at having beaten him, but could not help it. He provoked me again and again. So I did not know what had happened to him. Today I have decided that I will talk to him, and tomorrow hope he will behave normally. So what is that? The Samuel decided to talk with him personally, and he will hope that he will behave normally. This is the diary entry is written by Swami. Sorry, here you will write Samuel. Samuel, right? You write because this is right entry of a Samuel. So that's all for this video, and I've given all the question and answer. And thanks you for all for watching this video. I hope that you will like it, share it, and give your valuable feedback, and will going to subscribe this channel. Thanking you all again.